Bakit ba, no? Bakit ba naisipan mo talagang bumalik? Ano ba yung nakita mo sa Manila na kinailangan mong balikan?
Well, it started deteriorating, no? I've been telling ate and the group na sabi ko, I think hindi natin makukuha ng passion show lang yung city's problem, no? We have to show, you have to create extra mile, effort, to put things in right perspective. A lot of businessmen were worried about the zoning, the abuse in the zoning board, no, and the abuse on some government employees, and the basic services like the health centers. Yun, masyadong ikinagalit yun ng tao when they had it online schedule.
Yun nga yung narinig ko sa isa sa mga kampanya mo.
Oo, medyo nagdamdam talaga ang tao doon. Plus, the fact that nangadugyot talaga ang Maynila. And we became, I think, the data will show, we became number 1 in the crime index in Southeast Asia. So this, well, hindi ko naman ipinagkait itong mga data na to, itong mga ano to sa kanila, sinasabi ko to, but